Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. And we're going to kick this off. I just wanted to share how I use Facebook marketing and how I boost my post that helped me hit the $100,000 last year using Facebook ads. There's a lot of feedback you get from people saying that it doesn't work or it's too expensive. And, I'm here to tell you that they do work if you know what you're doing. And so let me share that with you. So go to your Facebook page. Here's the business suite right here. And it gives you a bunch of information right here that something that I always look at. And I'd like to look at in 30-day increments. But if you look at the people reached, 16,584, I'm up 20%. Engagements up 13%. Page likes are down. And the current ad that I have going right now is an ad that I'm requesting for the potential client to DM me on Facebook Messenger. And I believe on Friday, when I opened this up, I actually had a message here from Facebook asking me, because I'm a previous customer, I've been using Facebook ads, if I wanted um, a meeting with one of their business managers, something like that. So I put my information in and they call me and they kind of look through my account, see how it's going, asking me some questions. What can we do better, basically? And I told them I was very happy with the production I was getting and the amount of business I was getting for what I was spending. So it was a great channel for me. The only thing I asked them to do was if there was a way to keep track of the clients that I closed, just so I could have a that percentage that you want to know of, closing a sale. So let's jump into this. So what he told me to do was he wanted me to promote my website. So that's where I'm going to start off first. So you just go to promote website. All right, here we go. And it shows you an example of what it's going to look like. So obviously you want to make sure that you have a really nice picture of your photo booth right there. So if a customer's scrolling, they're going to see it and be like, wow, look at that. But the picture that I want to use that has been helping me is this one right here. This is my moneymaker right here. Um, so this is what I'm gonna stick with. It's just eye catchy, and because of the history that I've had with it and the success, I'm gonna go with this one. So we got the website in there. Here's the most important part right here. If you don't do this, you're going to be marketing to the entire United States, and you'll be wasting your money and resources to a demographic and market that you're not even in. So as you can look, it's already pre-programmed with Austin right here. So it's very important you go in here and you make the changes. If you look at the age that I have is 21 to 45. And if you're asking me how did I come up with that, it was um, before I started with the same Facebook ad that I use multiple ones, and this is the one that works for me. Oh, I forgot the top part right here. You can target market all. I actually just go after women. Now, remember, each demographic, each market is different, so you may have to play with it a little bit. So if you look right here, I already have Austin. So because I have family in Houston and Dallas, I kind of put in DFW. Oh, let's put Dallas. Yeah, Texas. My dad lives in Houston, so we're gonna put Houston. Waco isn't that far from me. I'll put in Waco, and I'm also gonna put in San Antonio, about an hour and a half away from me. There we go. So, oops. We got our target market right here as far as women. We're going after 21 to 45. We have our markets that we want to go after. And then you're just going to hit save audience. There you go. Oops, forgot something else. If you look right here, I've already got my detailed targeting, my taglines right here. So if you want to add a few more, you can. Put in 15. There you go. That's in there. What else do you want to put in? Do we put groom interest? Already got wedding planner. Drawn a blank right here. That's pretty much all I use right there. So let's go with that. So important to have that. You can put in, I guess they give you some examples down here too. Sorry, event management. There you go. Entertainment, dance halls, food and wine info network. No, let's put friends in there, I guess. Guess they do drink at events. I guess we could put the food and wine in there. That goes kind of along with the event planning. All right, there we go. So let's save the audience. There we go. So we have it all down here. Here's important. So I'm going to go for 7 days. I want this to actually end next Monday. Oh, I'm going to be traveling. Let him know. Okay, I want this to run. Let's go with 7 days. The 24th. Right. 24th. I'm going to raise this to $12 per day. That's kind of what he recommended. So if you look right here, estimated 1.1 thousand to 3.1 thousand people reach per day. So that's your potential audience that's going to see this ad. So definitely, for me, it's been worth it. Facebook Pixel. And if you look at what I'm going to spend, 84, I actually wanted to spend $100. So there you go. Let's go to $14. So if you look right here, that looks like what your link clicks is going to be. Here's your potential reach again. All right, and here's what your ad is going to look like right here. So then you hit promote now. So before your ad goes live, they do check it, and they'll approve it, and then it starts for you. There you go. It's in review. My goal is to get more website visitors. I'm spending $98 for $14 a day. And if you think about that $98, a typical event is my lowest one's $500 with the small booth with the Chloe. So if I do that, I made my money back right here. So cool. So we're waiting for it to get approved. And what I want to show you is my previous Facebook ad. How do I go back? Okay, could have hit the home. Oh, let's go to Business Suite. Sorry. How do I go? Oh, right here on the left. I'm sorry. Go to Ads. And here are my previous ads that I've spent. So let's go to the one I used in December. View results. So some really good information here. I had 96 messages, reached 11,614, and the cost per message was $2.18. And in December, I think I did a little over 13,000. So definitely a good rate of return. And here's your ad, who they reached. If you can see, 18 to 45. That's basically my target market right there. Here's my audience detail. Here's what I spent, $250, and it ended on January. Oh, excuse me, it's going to end. This is my current one. Oh, I apologize. So this is my current ad that's running. Excuse me, let me go back. January 17th. Oops, wrong one. Sorry, guys. Okay, here we go. So 131 messages, 15,000. This one was a little bit higher. Cost per message was $2.29. Still not too bad. Reached 15,000, almost 100. There's the target market. On the right, you can see this was completed, $10 a day, 30 days. That's the ad picture that I used. And there's the $300 that I spent in December. So that's your Facebook marketing tips. I definitely recommend you use it. I do not use Google Ads just yet. My website's showing up right on the bottom of the first page, second page, so I'm happy there, but I do intend on using it. And here's my ad summary in the last 60 days, my reach, post engagement, my messages, and my links. So very important. You want to see everything, obviously in the green, just to make sure that, you're reaching an audience that's just not your friends and family on Facebook and the Facebook groups that you're always on. So guys, I hope that helps. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Definitely like to hear your feedback. Leave us a comment and let us know how it helps you. Okay.